Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate malware detection on Bluehost. So I just tap on my Safari browser, and before you creating an account, you'll have to purchase the plan. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me, and after you will have to creating your account. So to activate malware detection on Bluehost, you can set up SiteLock, a website security solution that protects against malware and other threats. So number one, log into your Bluehost account manager. Then second, click hosting on the left menu. Third, click settings for the website you want to set up SiteLock for. And fourth, click log into the SiteLock. And fifth, accept the SiteLock's terms of service agreement. And six, configure a smart scan malware alert and removal tool. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.